Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So in this package is a Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. And just setting the butter dish in the middle of the frame so you have a full and clear look at this Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in pink, and giving you a full look at the butter dish before I start handling it. So right there, resting it in the middle of the frame, giving you that full and clear look. And let's go ahead and take a much closer in look at this Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in pink. As you can see, the overall soft pink colour, or light pink, or pastel pink colour. And as you can see, it does have a clear glossy finish. And taking a look at the underside or bottom of the butter dish, you can see the untreated base or bottom in beige, and the Creuset branding on it. Okay, and of course taking a much closer in look at the sticker that's on the lid of the dish. You can see the instructions or care label on that sticker, or care information. And taking a top-down look at the butter dish, we can see the Creuset rings around the lid, which is one of the Creuset trademarks with its styling or design. And just setting the dish down and lifting the lid off of it. So giving you a look right there, the dish itself and the lid of the butter dish right next to it. And of course, to give you some sense of the size of this stoneware butter dish, just resting it in my palm, and of course placing my hand over it. Okay, and now taking a close-up look at the lid first. Let's just set the base of the butter dish to the side, and of course giving you that close-up look at the details of the lid. With its handle at the top, and of course on the underside details we can see the glossy glaze on the underside of the lid. So right there you can see that clear glossy shiny finish with the light playing against its surface. Okay, so now just setting the lid to the side, and of course bringing the base of the butter dish in view. So once again giving you that close-up look, and it does have that clear gloss treatment. On the dish itself, and of course giving you a look at the side profile as well. And once again the underside or bottom of the butter dish with that untreated or unglazed and exposed ceramic or stoneware. So right there, giving you some sense once again of its size, with it resting in my palm, and to give you some idea of the sturdiness and chunkiness of this Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. So same thing, just tapping with my fingernail on the lid of the dish. And now just replacing the lid back onto the base or bottom or dish of the butter dish, and giving you an overall look. So that's the Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. Thanks for watching and happy storing!